What's up mga chong? We're going to make a full review about YOLOPARK Transformer Optimus Prime Earth mode. It took me like 3 weeks para matapos tong model kit na to. Kasi marami siyang small pieces na kailangan ipag-connect. I started sa Gundam model kits and ngayon dito na ako sa plastic model kits and Transformers. There's a lot of differences when it comes to the parts ng Transformers. Marami siyang mga interconnected parts. This kind of engineering plastic model is what we call interconnected exoskeletal system. So for example, you move this part, all parts will move accordingly. It's a kind of engineering system ang unique dito sa Transformers. Everything's already built. I-connect na lang natin siya. I customize some parts. Like for example, this piece na to, originally ang color nito is dark gray. And then make it gold, metallic black. Itong Energon Axe, actually original color lahat nito is dark gray. Put a weathering effect here, a little bit of chips. When it comes to this Energon Blaster, I painted this magazine at saka yung middle part niya ng silver. We'll move this first up. You can use a tweezer para just to make sure na makukuha mo siya. You can close this now once na nakuha mo na yung handle. In addition with what I did sa custom build ko ng Optimus Prime is that I also put a gloss paint. It adds protection sa mga paint ng plastic models. You can see it's shiny. Yung gold area, originally that's gray. It looks great pag nag-custom build ka ng Optimus Prime. Here, at the bottom, meron siyang area kung saan malalagyan mo siya ng lights. So we're going to connect this neck and the head. Push a little bit. And then, that's it. This chest area, may gimmick to open this center. Makikita mo yung matrix of leadership. So that is something na yung mga Prime Transformers meron nun. So yung pinaglalaban-laban nila. Ang maganda dito kay Optimus Prime, yung YOLOPARK Earth mode, ang ganda ng pagkaka-build nila ng small pieces na when you connect other parts, magkakaroon ka ng very interesting engineering level here na kung saan pag nag-move to, lahat mag-move. And that's what makes this unique. Na-mention ko kanina, this is inter-exoskeletal system. So for example, yumuko siya. So pag niyuko natin yan, makikita nyo dito, this area, nag-extend yung spine niya. Eh paano kung ginawa natin straight body? All of them were gonna move straight. See the matrix of leadership. When you open it, you need to push a little bit here para ma-open mo lahat. When you want to expose yung leadership of matrix, what you need is to hyperextend yung body niya. I will show you later yung posing niya ng next pose niya yung matrix of leadership. Yan. Yung head niya, pwede mo siyang ma-move forward, pwede mo siyang ma-move backward. Pwede mo ma-swivel side by side ng konti. Arms niya, ito, na-move to, flex mo yung arms niya, pwede mo siyang i-move and then mas ma-extend pa yung pag-flex niya. Ang kinagandaan dito, pag nag-flex si Optimus Prime, itong inner bicep, pumapasok yan sa loob. Ang kinagandahan nito is that it's very unique kasi walang ganito sa Gundam eh. When I build the Gundam, walang pumapasok na bicep dun. So look at this. This is nice. This is a very interesting setup. Look, yung color separation ang ganda kasi metallic gold, metallic black, silver, red, tapos blue yung hand, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-design. You can see here na ito mahirap. Ito yung mga maliliit na parts na kailangan mo i-connect dito. Kaya ako natagalan mag-build nito kasi parang iisa-isahin mo siya. Hindi katulad nung iba yung mga Gundam builds kasi iisang parts na siya. For example, lahat to magkaka-connect na siya, tapos kakabit mo na lang. So, yun yung pinagkaiba nila. Back area ng arms. So, nagmo-move din to. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-design, no? Like, parang, maliit na motor. You can push inside yung bicep. You can flex more. Tapos, ito, pwede siya ma-detach. Like, pag tinanggal mo siya, mas ma-flex mo siya. Pero I don't really advise to do that. Kasi, hindi siya matibay pag ginawa mo yun. So, I will leave it like that. Yung hand niya, itong thumb, yung mga fingers na yan, you're going to connect it individually, like lahat yan. So, medyo nahihirapan ako dyan. Yung kamay ng Gundam is naka-build na lahat. Ito, i-connect mo lahat isa-isa. Ang maganda naman sa pag kinonect mo siya isa-isa, kay Transformers or kay Optimus Prime, so mas madali siyang gawan ng action post piece. And babalik lang natin. Tingnan, lahat sila nagmo-move. Okay? Pag binalik mo yan, ito, na-extend to eh. Pag minove mo yan, na-extend yan. Pero pag binalik mo siya, bumabalik yan sa dati. Bumabalik yan sa position niya. Yun yung kinagandahan. Like, yung nagandahan ng pag-build ng Transformers. Here, the waist area, I would say it's basic. Same like as Gundam. You can move this, hyper-extend ng pag-flex ng mga legs. This one, so you can move it like that. And then you can move the side skirts here. Like it's yan. Ito yung mga side skirts niya. Back side skirts, the side, the left and right side skirts, the front side skirts. So you can attach it here. For example, yung post mo is binend mo yung legs ni Optimus Prime. Open this front side skirt. Let's move on to the leg part. Pag nagbe-bend siya ng knees niya, back. Pag binend mo yung legs ni Optimus Prime, pumapasok to dun sa loob. Look at the details there. Like, oh my god. This one, nga pala, nilagyan ko rin ito ng panel line. Tapos lalong ma-expose yung details ng design. Katulad nito. So, look at this part. Yung color separation ng gold, metallic black, at saka blue. So, look at these wheels. Like, this is easily movable. Like, but this one, I tried to fix it. Like, it's not really the same as the first wheel here. Kasi, it's like, you can turn it around. But it's not like this na, it's smooth. So, same thing in the other foot. Like, you can move it. Like here, may mafe-feel mo may resistance. You can also move it, but it's not a big deal. Pinaint ko siya ng gloss. This rubber really looks glossy, looks new. Like, I really like the glossy part ng wheels. You can extend the foot. Inner. When you bend the knees, okay, let's bend. Etong front, magmo-move yan. The same time, when you want, so look at this. Na-bend mo yung knees, so nag-move to. When you bend this one, this area, look at this area, papasok yan sa loob. There you go. Oh, look, I'll do it again. Di ba? Dumagdag pa yung pag-bend ng knees. Tapos, yeah, you can move it forward, or here you can move it backward. Yung paa niya, you can see the logo YOLOPARK. Now, let's connect yung waist area sa chest. So like I said, it's better na tanggalin muna natin yung mga side skirts. Ako, yun yung strategy ko eh. Tinatanggal ko muna yung side skirts niya before I put uh, yung mga major parts. Yeah. Kasi ano sagabal to when you're putting all the parts. Okay. So yan. So now let's put the chest. Put the chest to waistline. Yan. Look at this details, oh. May gold dito, may gold din dito. Yan, yun yung mga small parts na nagpahirap ng buhay ko. Next natin kakabit, I would say leg area. Para may foundation na agad yung pagtayo niya. Remember nung sinabi ko dun sa waistline niya, pwede mo ma-extend. You can do this like this. Yan, no? Napo-pull out mo yung part sa waistline. That gives more pag-flex ng legs. Yan, that will give more details when it comes to action pose. After na malagay yung legs, ang lalagay naman natin is yung side skirt. So, front. Yeah, you can put it here. There's a ball joint niya. Yan. The back. Side skirt. Yan, dito. Malalaman mo kung tama yung pagkakalagay mo kasi may line dito na mag-fit sa kanya. Let's go to the arms. Ang ginagawa ko is ino-open ko tong shoulder blade niya para madali mo siyang mapasok. Pag hindi mo siya ino-open, yung mga edges niya tatama dun sa side. Nahirapan ko ipasok yan. So, ayan. Open mo na yung side. Open mo na yung shoulder blade. That's the time na papasok. Swivel hanggang ma-reach mo yung end. Yan. Okay. So, after that, you can now close the shoulder blade. Energon blaster. So, ito ilalagay ko sa hand niya. Makikita mo there's a hole on the palm area. Just need to pull it. This axe. This handle. This is the part na ipapasok mo sa palm ni Optimus Prime. Ito na yung standing position niya na may kasamang side arms. I'm going to show you yung pag-extend ng arms niya. So look at this, guys. I'm going to extend. Ipapasok ko yung bicep. Pag flinex ko yung arms niya, mag-move palabas to. Ito naman papasok paloob. And so I can put this out. Oh, look. Oh, diba? Angle a little bit for the exposure ng axe. What I do is that parang hinahang ko siya sa likod ni Optimus Prime. So you can see there the details. Oh, look at this articulation. Daming edges, daming angles. Yan yung mga kinagandaan kay Optimus Prime. Ako, pag ginagalaw ko itong mga leg area, ino-open ko yung side skirts niya para may space. Para hindi siya yung left and right side skirts, tinatanggal ko yan. Konting angle, maganda yung standing position niya. Tapos, that's the time na pwede na natin siyang ibalik. And then, this one. Ano ba yan? Hulog. Yan yung standing position niya. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is i-bend naman natin yung legs. For example, dadapa siya. Remove the side skirts. Remove the arms. Right foot niya. Namumove mo siya palabas. Tapos, saka mo siya i-rotate na pa ganito. Bend mo yung legs. Yung pag-bend ng knees, diba? If you do this, na kasama yung mga side skirts, tatama lahat yan sa side skirts. Pag tumama yan, syempre mahirapan kayo, matatanggal din lahat yan. So, yun yung best way. Tanggalin nyo muna, saka nyo bend yung legs. Look at these details. Ganda, di ba? A little bit of twist and extend din ng foot. Ito yung post instruction manual. I-bend natin yung body, yung back ni Optimus Prime para lalong expose yung back, spine, and mas maganda yung pagkakaposition niya. maganda position. Yan. So, nadapa siya. Umangon ulit siya. So, sinutukan niya ng Energon Blaster yung kalaban niya. Pwede rin yung position if you want to use the axe. Diba? Pwede, diba? Ayan, no? Kitang-kita lahat ng details. You're going to see. May details dito. Like, details sa legs. Details sa back. There's so much things going on when in terms of articulation. Especially with Optimus Prime. Like, oh my god. It looks so great. So, yan. Pagdalik natin siya sa standing position. Yung overall experience, it was really great. I cannot compare it sa Gundam, actually. Kasi iba sila ng structure. At the same time, kung makikita mo, ang daming details dito. Like, yung mga small pieces yan, yung mga small parts na yan, yun yung mga times na medyo mahirap ikat sa runners. However, it's really fulfilling matapos yung project na to. Si Optimus Prime, nakita mo lahat ng lines, details, dots. Ito yung mga nakita sa movie ng Bumblebee. This is a product of YOLOPARK. Is a new company in terms of plastic model kit, which is very good sa pag-create ni Optimus Prime. Thumbs up para sa kanila. Experience is real nice. You can post a lot of things kay Optimus Prime kasi na-extend mo yung joints, na-extend mo yung legs. Ang daming nangyayari once you move certain parts. It moves all together. When it comes to display, na-enjoy ko yung pagka-display niya sa sala. Next video ko, I'm going to unbox Jet Power Optimus Prime. That's on the movie of Revenge of the Fallen. This is a DLX 30. It's a high-end quality collectible figures. To my next video, and enjoy mga chong!